Welcome to my software demonstration. Now this is a fairly simple hangman program in C++ that I've made as a practice in learning the language. I'm going to start by running it. So here it displays the word that's selected randomly from a list, the number of chances you have, which is to say how many letters you can get wrong, and here it just prompts us for a letter. Now, it shouldn't be case sensitive, which means it can take a capital or a lowercase letter. So R wasn't in the list, so it takes it off the chances left. You enter it lowercase, it identifies it as the same letter, but doesn't remove it from the chances. A was in the word, so it's now displayed in the word. A moment while I try and guess what the word was. Okay, and now it displays how far I got in guessing the word, the right word, and then it tells you with this little message that you lost the game. Now, do you wish to play again? If you enter any letter other than Y or N, it tells you that that wasn't an option. So let's play again. Now, because it's randomized, it displays a new word, and the chances are reset. E, A, okay, so it has an A. Okay. Just a moment while I find one that I can guess. Oh, fair enough. Well, we'll leave it at that for the demonstration. Play again, enter N, which is no. It displays a goodbye message and closes the loop. Now, the way that we got the word was from a list of words, or in this case, a vector of strings. And let's see. At the beginning of our while loop, it'll select a new one at random, this while loop, where it will randomly select a hidden word from the word list, and then it will pass the hidden word to create dashes, which will return a word with the same number of dashes as there were letters in the original word, or string in this case. This will then be stored as guessed word, which will then be split into a vector, aka list, of characters. This allows it to be updated later. Now, once they're entering their choices, they'll be stored as guessed letter, and if guessed letter is found inside of guessed letters, then they'll say that that letter's already been used, which prevents people from losing multiple points to the same guess. If guessed letter is not in that list, then they'll be able to continue. If, of course, that isn't a letter when passed to guessed letter, which it checks in the alphabet, a moment while I scroll to that function, which goes from A to Z, then they'll say that that's not a letter, and once again, their score will not be deduced for the wrong guess, because it wasn't a letter. Alright, I believe that should do it for today. Have a good night.